Hello, people. I'm sorry I need to break this to you, but you really don't know how much sales or how much you've been missing because the ad you are running presently is not being shown to the right people who are meant to see it. I'm sure being online and stuff, you've seen a lot of things about target audience. Target audience is what it is. Target audience is the set of people or those group of people who are actually interested in your product or the service you are offering, right? And this is something you have to get right when running ads, or you have very poor results. Having a good target audience is really the difference between you making 100 sales in your ads and making 2,600 sales, right? It gets as good as that. So it's really important that you have an expert set up target audiences so that when people then see your ads, they'll be shown to the right people, of course, and then those people can then take action like making inquiries, paying for a product, or then paying for a service, right? And that's what you came to this page to see, right? So if this is something you are interested in for your business and your brand, then click the link, I think, below this video, and will help you set that up. Cheers, guys.